Public services shape the communities we live in, from transportation and public safety to health services and emergency response. State and local governments play a vital role in helping people live safer, healthier, and more connected lives. Behind these services are teams responsible for building and managing the systems that make it all work. For these teams to succeed, they must be aligned, agile, and focused on a shared mission. CDW helps government teams design and operate these systems through our SmartLab for state and local government. Citizens are served better when technology and operations teams come together with a shared purpose. When citizen service teams understand the why behind the systems and how every process, decision, and key technologies are interconnected. And when they participate in what many agencies have called the aha moment that reshaped how they serve their communities. This one-day hands-on experience sparks new ideas, helps teams work better together, and gets leaders on the same page. Improve public health, streamline the permit process, and enhance emergency response. Reach out to us today to schedule a SmartLab for your agency.